Bloody hell. And I just got the vertigo happening now. That's all I need. And they're taking it all fairly easy. Jesus Christ, they're taking it so slow. Bloody hell. Scores up. Scusate.
Dai, non mi ruba nessuno la strada.
Oh! I just got told by Georgia to slow down or back off. Where am I going? Oh wow, look at that down there. Jesus. Look at this lard bucket in front of me. I'm assuming no one's going to come in the other direction. And here we are, we're through and we're going downhill. A bit of fun. Make use of these gears. The old switchbacks. I'm assuming I'm doing it correctly. I'll get told later, I guess, if I am on. Here's Giorgio. I'll try and get my microphone back. Bloody hell. Is he hooked out just before the switchback? I got the microphone back, beauty. Bloody hell, you gotta really pull the brakes hard around here. Good brakes, these Durace brakes. Quite like them. Get over. Oh shit. Okay, in deep, out wide. Now we've got him. He can do what he wants. $60. 4 more to go. Huh? No, va bene, Giorgio, stai tranquilli. No worries, mate. She'll be right. Bit of advertising for Super Elliots. Here they go. We go out wide, we cut in and go around. That's the way to do it. And that was the last one. Al Lago, as you can see. Beautiful buildings. It's just gone 10 o'clock The vertigo settled a little bit, but Jesus, there's an oldie in her bathers. And it's a beautiful lake, as you can see, non-topless, no, and a little town over there, fairly clear, bit of grot in that water. Nice little town over there. There's Georgia. Oh.
Le capanne di paglia.
Capanne di paglia?
Di paglia, sono palafitte.
Perché motivo hanno costruito?
Perché una volta gli abitanti
Mettevano le...
preistorici piantavano i pali
Sì.
sull'acqua,
Yeah.
come questa, no?
Yeah.
Poi facevano la capanna
Sì.
e i tetti sono fatti,
Yeah.
sono fatti di paglia. Vogliono vedere?
No, lascia. Ma perché abitavano lì dentro?
Sì.
So what he said is they'd put pylons into the ground, like in Venice, and then they would build a little hut, like you can see over there, and the roofs were all made of hay or straw. There's something diving around in the water over there, and they used to live in the silly things. But anyway.
Vedi quella striscia lì in fondo?
See?
Lì c'è un altro lago di là.
Oh, there's a bit of a barrier there, and but beyond that barrier over there, there's another lake, so called Lago di Lago.
Allora,
Quite picturesque.
uno si chiama Lago di Ravine, che dovrebbe essere.
Lago di Ravini, that's the one we're at.
E l'altro è Lago di Lago.
Lago di Lago, okay. I think you
Adesso
got the
noi-
gist of
adesso
it.
Noi andiamo di là,
We're going that way.
sopra quella collina.
Dove siamo, Giorgio? Ravine del Lago? Ravine del Lago. Revine di Lago. Oh, look at the little citron. Wow, look at this little spot. Private property, no doubt. Wow, look at that little nooks and crannies. Excellent. I'll just keep my head down a bit. Make it nice and easy so you can take it all in. Here we go, a couple of kids. Kids playing around. Hello. Good morning. Good morning to you. He speaks some English. Buongiorno signora. Bellissimo posto qui. Beautiful, very nice. You're welcome. Ah, some cats.
Yes.
Beautiful cats. Oh, look how fat this one is. Bush cat. Look how big that one is. That's another one. Bush cat. Bush cat. What's the matter? Bush cat. I think we might be heading back. I'm not sure. Oh, nice stonework there. I just wanted to get a bit of that. Have a look at it. Glorious. Beautiful, beautiful. I stop. Bugger it. There was a beautiful line of them before. Thank you, grazie. He's just gone out my way. You can see all these roses, the whole town. The first section of roses was just incredible. Very red. Hopefully we'll see them okay. Have a look at this. Bloody hell. The whole street's full of roses. Oh God. Glorious colours. I just tilted the helmet, see if we can get them even better. Beautiful roses here. Have a look at this bush here, fantastic. Ah. Yo, dove andiamo? What the hell? There's a race on today, juniors.